Couplings connect rotating parts to transfer motion and torque. If they make noise, it as often due to the wrong type, misalignment, wear, or resonance. Wrong type choosing the right coupling for your needs, like torque, speed, and application, is key. Picking the wrong one can lead to noise and inefficiency. Misalignment, improper installation, can cause uneven loads, leading to vibrations or noise. Always install and align couplings correctly. Where over time, parts like elastic elements or bearings can wear out, creating unusual sounds. Regular maintenance helps. Resonance, certain frequencies during rotation can cause noise. Adjusting motor driver settings, like carrier frequency or gain, can often fix this.